Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you oven baked chicken thighs. They are so tasty and so delicious. And it's very easy to make and it's so super tasty and super delicious. Very moist, juicy. And let's start it with the ingredients. These are the spices I'm going to use: salt, garlic powder, onion powder, ground ginger, cumin powder, black pepper, parsley flake, paprika, oregano, thyme. Mix them. So once it's nicely combined, these are the spices we're going to use on chicken thighs. These are skinless and boneless 8 chicken thighs. Chicken has the fat on, so keep the fat on. That will help to make the chicken juicy. First thing, we're going to add some olive oil. After adding the olive oil, make sure that it's nicely coated. Make sure your hands are clean. So we're going to turn these over. So now we're going to add spices. Sprinkle all over. Just make sure to pat it so the spices sticks to the chicken. And now we're going to turn these over. Now we're going to add the spices on this side. After adding spices, we're going to pat it. So all the spices are coated on both sides, and now it's a good idea for the marination. Do it overnight and leave it in the fridge. Or if you don't have a time, just like me, I'm going to keep it in fridge for 1 hour. Then we're going to place this one in oven. My oven is preheated at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. We marinated the chicken for 1 hour only. And as I mentioned, the longer is always better. Take out the plastic wrap. You can use vented tray. You can place it directly inside the tray. So I'm going to use the glassware and we're going to place it inside the oven for 40 minutes. The oven is preheated at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And now we're going to place the chicken inside the oven. For 40 minutes. Look at this from the other side. Very nicely done. It's very moist, very juicy. Let me show you. I hope you like oven baked chicken thighs. If you like this video, like always, like, share and subscribe to my channel, Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.